So, I did not expect part one to take off, but it did. And your responses kind of pushed me to make a part two. So, here it is. There's this idea in the fashion creator space that fashion content is oversaturated, everything's been done, and there's only so many outfit videos you can make before you run out of ideas. But in this video, I want to challenge that assumption by sharing 10 more unique content ideas for fashion influencers that you can create and post right now. So, let's get into it. Okay, starting with number one, what I think is the easiest format to create, and that is the inspiration versus the outfit. So, in your first clip, you'll show your inspiration mood board with the words the inspo versus dot dot dot, and then it cuts to the next clip of you wearing the outfit that you built from it with the words the outfit at the top to complete the sentence. But here's the thing I want you to do differently. Don't just make your mood board with fashion related images. Throw in some random images like a pattern, a color, a random object, a colorful drink, just whatever inspired you. The less fashion related your mood board looks, the more curious your audience will be to see the final reveal. Okay, idea number two is to gamify your outfits. I have been noticing this stop motion style of editing blowing up lately, and I think it's the perfect format for this next idea. If you grew up in the 2000s playing Stardoll or My Scene, you already know this feeling too well. That little dopamine hit of clicking through the different options to build an outfit. And this creator taps into exactly that in one of her videos, where she uses a cursor to click between different outfit options and then cuts to herself wearing whichever one gets selected. Now, word of caution, don't just blatantly copy someone else's video. Take the concept and filter it through your personal editing style and aesthetic. Okay, idea number three is to do an outfits of the week as a song vlog. This one needs a bit of explanation because it's not immediately obvious. There's a creator I've been watching whose whole style is these day in the life vlogs, but it's edited like a song vlog where every beat or transition takes you to a different time of the day and he shows you what he's doing in that moment. Now imagine taking that exact format and turning it into a weekly fashion vlog where each beat transition of the song takes you to a different day of the week and you show the outfit that you were wearing and what you were doing in it. This would be a super fun way to not only show what you were wearing, but what you were wearing it to. Okay, idea number four is find an outfit for blank occasion. And I'm going to explain this with a sample video that I created. So the first slide will have the text, so I heard you need an outfit for dot dot dot, and then below that you're going to add 4 to 6 cutouts of different occasions or places that people will need outfits for. This could be a wedding, a job interview, a first date, a beach holiday, just whatever you feel that your audience would connect with. And then this cursor kind of comes and clicks on one of the options, and the scene transitions to you wearing an outfit that's appropriate for that selected occasion. But here's the best part, you can take this idea and turn it into a series where each episode covers a different occasion. And just like that, you'll have 4 to 6 content pieces ready to go. Okay, idea number five is find outfits within a budget challenge. Your hook can be something like, can I find an outfit for occasion under budget in city? For example, can I find an outfit for prom under $100 in Melbourne? And yes, I specifically want you to include the name of your city, and here's why. Tell me if you know the disappointment of seeing a creator share an outfit that you really liked, and then once you go to check out the shop link, you realize that it's from a country that you're not based in. And it's pretty disappointing. So by naming your city upfront, you're telling your audience right off the bat who it's for without wasting their time. And it's this kind of specificity that builds a loyal following. Okay, idea number six is build an outfit, and I got this idea from this account. It's basically like a fun quiz where you show different clothing and accessory options broken down by category and let your audience pick one from each to build a complete outfit. It's an educational way to show people how to dress creatively with limited pieces or a capsule wardrobe in your personal style or aesthetic. Okay, number seven is things I find extremely chic under budget. This content format has been taking off in 2026, and I put my own spin on it by adding a budget amount at the end. Because here's the difference, without the number, it's just a nice video to watch, but as soon as you add that dollar amount, it becomes something that your audience can actually act on. They're not just admiring your pics, right? They're thinking, wait, I can actually buy this. And that's what turns a passive viewer into someone who saves your content, shares it, and comes back for the next one. Okay, number 8 is what to pack city plus season edition. For example, Japan in winter edition or New York in fall edition. This video solves a real problem because your audience is going somewhere, they don't know what to wear, and you get to be the answer. So you essentially just show them what you packed and why. You can cover the weather, cover the culture, tell them what's practical versus what you wished you left at home. Okay, number 9 is things I don't regret buying. Okay, now here's the mistake that I don't want you to make. Instead of just saying things, be specific on what those things are. For example, shoes I don't regret buying or pants I don't regret buying. The more niche the title, the more the video feels like it was made for them. And someone who's on the fence about a particular decision will feel drawn to your video if it's specific to what they're looking for. Okay, number 10, and this one is pretty fun. It's how I would dress if I was in blank show or movie. Okay, now the boring thing that everyone does is they'll simply recreate an outfit from a character in the show. But we are gonna one up it. Instead of just recreating, ask yourself, if I were in this world, how would I dress? What would my version of that aesthetic look like, filtered through my wardrobe and my taste? And that reframe is exactly what will make your content feel more personal. Now, YouTube thinks you'd like this video next, and if you haven't watched part 1 yet, you can click here to watch it.